Hi there, summer going to end soon, the season is changing. Today I'm thinking of doing a tutorial on this little cutie that inspired by my ongoing blooming garden, so I hope you like it. You will need these 4 colors, and this is how much in total you will need for each. First, by request, I'm going to show you how to make the unit. First, you will need to fold the rectangle in half, then fold it in half again. Open it, you're going to fold it in from each side to make triangle to the middle crease line that you just make. Flip it over, you're going to fold the corner on each side to make a small triangle. Then fold each side, flap down, and last, fold it in together. Let's start on the tutorial. For the body, you will need to make 5 rows in total, 10 units each row. First row will be all black. Second row, you will have 9 black and 1 red unit. Third row will all be in black units. Onto the 4th row, you will need to connect 1 red unit aligned with the bottom red, and the rest of the 9 units will be in black. Fifth row, you're going to connect 10 black units. Now we're going to increase to 12 units, but all of the units will be connected invertedly. First, add 4 normal connected units like this. Then connect 1 unit to 1 spike on the bottom. Then do the same thing for the next. Then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. And the rest will be connected normally. Now onto the head, add in 4 normal beige units in the middle where the red units are. Then add in 8 black units. Next row, add in 5 beige units, and the rest will be in black units. Add in 1 pink unit on each side, 2 beige units in the middle, 1 beige unit on each side, and the rest will be in black units. Next, add 5 beige units and the rest in black units. Then add 4 beige units and the rest will be in black units. Next, add 1 black unit in the middle, 1 beige unit each side, and the rest will be in black unit. Okay, onto the last row, we're going to decrease 12 units to 10 units. Add 4 black units in the middle. Then add 2 units on each side, but each of them will be connected into 3 spikes on the bottom. And the rest will be connected normally. After you add all the units, adjust the head to make sure the circle on top come closer to each other. We just need to add the extremities. To make this leg, take 1 red unit on one side, pinch the middle near the pointy end, and the other side you're going to push in the middle part with your thumb to make an oval shape. To make the hand, fold the piece like this to make the crease. Then open it and fold it in the crease on each side to make a boat figures. For the antenna, cut out 2 long black strips and roll one end to form a spiral circle like this. Just cut out the ladybug wings and glue it to the back. You can make it any way that you want it. Last but not least, add in 2 eyes for your ladybug boy, and there you have it. Ladybug is a lucky symbol. When a ladybug lands on you, you should count the number of spots to predict how many years of good luck you have. If you guys have a ladybug lands on you before, did you count a spot? Let me know on the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you think this tutorial on how to make the unit at the beginning of the video is too fast or not very clear, I have videos on how to make the unit and how to connect the unit together, which I will put the link in the description box below. And I will also make a separate videos on everything you need to know how to prepare to make 3D origami model. So be sure to look forward to that, and I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye!